Welcome to the concept video for my new mobile game with the working title Fours. My name is Benjamin Lorick, I'm the sole developer of the project, and I will be walking you through the core concept of the game. As you can see at the moment, I've simply created the core mechanics of the game, no menu or restart or anything of the sort. This video is just to showcase the gameplay so that you as the publishing company can decide whether this game is worth further development. So now to the gameplay. As you can see, this is a grid-based game with two different colored blocks. Swipe left and right to choose where you would like to move the group of 4 blocks. Tap to rotate counterclockwise. And swipe down to drop. The objective is to create groups of 4 of the same color on the screen. As you've just seen, every 3 moves that you make, a move being when you drop a group of 4 blocks, the screen is cleared of all groups of 4 same colored blocks, and points are rewarded. The amount of moves left until a swipe are shown by the dots at the top. The game is over when you are out of space to drop any further blocks. I will now show some gameplay as we wait for a chain block to appear. The chain block is currently the only special block in the game. The chain block will kill any blocks of the same color it can chain link to. These blocks, while very powerful, if used correctly, do not appear often. Now that you have seen the main concept of the game, let's talk about the future of development. If development of the application continues, here are the current additions planned for the game. First off, there will be 3 different game modes. High score mode, which is what we just saw, time trial mode, in which the challenge is to get the most amount of points in 2 minutes, 4 minutes, or 6 minutes, and race mode, where the challenge is to get 2,000, 4,000, or 6,000 points in the least amount of time. These mounts, of course, are not finalized. There will also be the inclusion of many skins, changing the block color, block shape, background color, swiper color, and more. These skins may be unlocked by doing achievements or with a coin system. This has not been finalized yet. Finally, monetization is easily implemented in this game. Although rounds can last quite long, unlike other games where players die often and ads are shown, this does not matter because of the clearing system. Since the board clears every 3 moves, this is a perfect opportunity to show an ad without players getting too discouraged. I believe showing an ad every 20 or so clears would give the player a much needed mental break. For some final notes, I cannot stress enough that this game must be tested for user retention. This is an addicting concept that players would play over and over. I can tell you this from personal experience, as I wasted many hours playing through entire rounds when I had just meant to test one aspect of the game, and that is not a joke. It's casual, doesn't take too much concentration, but yet it is difficult enough that it tests the player and allows for improvement and developing of techniques, but it's easy enough that the player is rewarded. It is a perfect example of a game that is simple to learn but hard to master. The motions of swiping are also very satisfying for the player and are visually pleasing. I will say it again, I believe in a very positive user retention if tested. I look forward to hearing back and am very open to suggestions, criticism, and ideas for further development. Thank you.